So he said that now is the time to rise from the dark and desolate valley of segregation to the sunlight path of racial justice. Now he said that it's time to open, to stand up and to rise from the dark. Actually, they here it means the Negroes people, they are living in the dark and desolate valley. Okay, desolate means lonely, solemn, solitude. But this time they have to stand up and they have to overcome from this racial injustice, and they have to go on the light path, sunlight path, where the sun is shining. They have to go on the path. And now it's time to open the doors of opportunity to all the good children. Now it's time to open means suppose that their opportunity is locked in the room, so it's time to open the door, and they will means America, the nation, they will give equal opportunity to black and white people. So God children, it means God children, because black people, white people, every people, they are what? They are the children of God. So like this. And now it's time to lift our nation from the quicksand of racial injustice to the solid rock of the brotherhood. Now it's time what? It's time for that quick stand. We have to firm, and we have to remove what racial, we have to against the bias, and we have to make a brotherhood feeling of that will be like solid rock. Solid rock, it means hard. So we have to make a bond, a relationship among every people, and that should be like solid rock of brotherhood feeling. And now it's time to make justice a reality for all of God's children. And now it's time to make a justice, to ensure what a reality of life. And that life, it means what reality? That every people is the children of God. So like this the feeling we have to do. And there will be neither rest nor tranquility in America until the Negro is granted his citizenship rights. The whirlwind of revolt will continue to shake the foundation of our nation until the bright day of justice emerge. And now there will be neither rest nor tranquility in America. Now he said that at this time there will be no rest, no calm, no silence in America. And until up to which time? Until up to when Negro has got the, it means the American government has guaranteed that Negro will get same right, citizenship right like white people. Up to this time there will be means no silence in, no silence nor rest. And this whirlwind winds of revolt will continue to shake the foundation of our nation until the bright day justice emerge. And up to this time, this protest, this revolt, it means up to continue when the American government, they will give the what? They will give the citizenship rights to the Negroes. And up to this time we will continue, and revolt will just shake the foundation of the building. Suppose that there is a building, it means America is a country of building. Suppose that America, it's now personified like a building, and Negroes, black people, they are just shaking the foundation. Foundation means what? Pillar. They are trying to shake the foundation, means pillar of the nation, like this. For why? For getting justice. Okay. Today is up to the next page, to page number 25. Three more paras, four more paras are there tomorrow, next day, and that will be for today. Thank you.